It is such a nice day today. Oh, I forgot. We're having spaghetti for breakfast today. Woohoo! We're having spaghetti for dinner. I have to go brush my teeth. Oh boy, man. Okay, I need to brush my teeth fast. Where is Max? He was supposed to be here. Yeah, maybe he's just taking such a long time just so he can sleep in. Guys, I'm here. Wow, at least you're here now. Did I miss the spaghetti? Nope, you're right on time. Go to the table. I will bring it to you. Okay, guys, here is your spaghetti. Bon appetit. So, everybody, did you enjoy the spaghetti? I did. How about you, Max? Wow, it was the best spaghetti ever. It was like... What was that? I think Max just hiccuped. What? Max has the hiccups? Yes, I think I have the hiccups. What am I going to do? Don't worry. We are going to help you get it back. Thank you. Okay, Max, I'm going to help you make your hiccups go away. But how? I will have to scream. What? Really loud. So are your hiccups gone? Yes, they're gone now. Really? I think me screaming really loud helped. Thank you. That's why it's always good to have a big sister.